Sir, the next practice question related to date and time, have a look once, sir. Given the code fragment, import java.time.star, import java.time.format.star, public class test, public static void main. Local date 1 is equal to local date dot now. Okay, what is current system date? Can you please consider? Okay, like next. Local date 2 is equal to local date dot of sir 2019 5 so May 5th 2019. Can you please represent? Okay, assume the same day is the current system day also. Next, local date 3 is equal to local date dot parse of. Sir, for which purpose we are using parse method? To convert string to convert string to okay local date object, right? Sir, 2019 5 date time formatter ISO date. Are you getting ISO date? Like based on that formatter, can you please convert this string into local date? Sir, SOP of date 1 is the date 1. Date 2, date 3, like this, right? Sir, I want to print. So, do you know? So, the default format for the local date is always, sir, MMDT. Observe very carefully. So, either you are taking now or you are taking off. So, in both cases, if you print this format only, we are going to get. Next, sir, this one based on which formatter. So this formatter is also based on this format only. Okay, this is ISO date. That format always talks about this one only. This one. Suppose basic ISO date is there. If it is the basic ISO date 2019 05, then we require to use basic ISO date. Something like this one talks about ISO date. Okay, can you please convert this one into local date? Yes, this is also talks about same format only. If I print this one, what is the result? Observe date 1 2019 05, date 2 2019 05, date 3 2019 05 like this. So date 1, sir, 05/05 2019, date 2 2019 05, date 3 May 5th 2019, something like multiple formats. Next, third option, compilation fails. Fourth option, a date parse exception is thrown at runtime. Okay, take a bit very special care. So by default, local date dot now, local date dot off, even the specified one is always talks about this one. That's why the correct answer by default you will get this one only. Okay, remember this one, sir. Sir, have a look once. So if I can take like what is the answer we will get? Same example, import java.time.star, import java.time.format.star, public class test, public static void main. Okay, local date dot now, local date dot off. Okay, local date parse off, the same. Sir, I want to print this one. What is the answer we will get, sir? Observe carefully, right? Sir, this is the answer we are going to get. Okay, that's all. Date 3 2019 05, sir. Sir, I have one small doubt. Suppose if I'm not passing formatter, okay, local date is the formatter, right? What is the default? What is the output we are going to get? Just observe that. Yes, even in this case also same. That is the default format only. So maybe a chance to ask this type of questions for the exam. But anyway, dot now, dot off, dot parse, in all possibilities, sir, you are going to get this format only. So whether you specified ISO date or whether you are not specifying that, so default format is also same. Clear, right?